Hi and welcome to the Unlocking Cyber Resilience with PowerProtect One video for the 20.1 release. Cyber threats are evolving rapidly. As organizations expand, so do their vulnerabilities. Ransomware attacks now last weeks, not days, and regulations are becoming stricter. How can businesses stay ahead? Organizations need a proactive resilience strategy. It's not just about reacting to threats, but anticipating them. A forward-looking approach ensures cyber resilience and compliance in an ever-changing landscape. Meet Dell PowerProtect One, a unified appliance offering data management and protection storage. With anomaly detection, AI assistant, and unified dashboard, its design is simple, secure, and scalable, adapting seamlessly as your data grows. With an integrated user interface and REST API management, Dell PowerProtect One streamlines operations. It combines protection software with the secure and highly efficient data domain protection storage, ensuring a secure and user-friendly experience. The PowerProtect One 20.1 release supports Dell Cyber Recovery, which isolates mission-critical data, protecting it from escalating cyber threats. It detects suspicious activities and enables rapid restoration, bypassing traditional recovery methods. By reducing downtime and financial impact, Dell Cyber Recovery accelerates your return to normal operations. It's a robust solution for modern cyber resilience. Cyber recovery involves detailed forensic analysis and data validation to safeguard the data center and infrastructure. Recovery timelines depend on breach severity. Cyber recovery ensures data integrity before restoration, making it a crucial part of a comprehensive resilience strategy. The Cyber Recovery Vault is an air-gapped, fail-safe solution for critical data. It offers secure replication with immutable storage, ensuring data remains untouched by threats. With full content-based analytics, the Vault detects corruption beyond metadata checks. It's a comprehensive solution for safeguarding your most valuable data assets. Immutability is key to reliable data recovery. By ensuring data cannot be altered, the Vault increases attack difficulty and improves recovery success rates. Isolation minimizes attack surfaces. Network isolation within production facilities reduces costs and supports rapid recovery, protecting the Vault from zero-day exploits. Trust in data is essential. A clean room environment allows for forensic analysis, ensuring recovered data is safe before returning to production. Integration with PowerProtect One delivers immutable, isolated backups. It enhances cyber recovery capabilities, providing a streamlined and secure customer experience. This integration ensures your data is protected against modern threats, offering advanced recovery solutions that are both efficient and reliable. Consider Dell PowerProtect solutions for robust cyber recovery. By implementing these solutions, you ensure your data is safeguarded against evolving threats. We've explored the growing threat landscape, Dell's innovative solutions, and the power of cyber recovery vaults. These tools are essential for modern cyber resilience. By choosing Dell PowerProtect, you'll enhance your organization's resilience and protect critical data. It's a proactive step towards a secure digital future. Call to action. Contact us today to learn more about implementing Dell PowerProtect One and PowerProtect Cyber Recovery. Together, we can build a resilient future for your organization. Thank you for watching. Let's take the next step in securing your data and ensuring peace of mind in a digital world.